Hi, I am Akshatha Udupa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As many of you had mentioned in the comment, you wanted a continuation video of the previous scalping video. So in this video, I am going to share with you all the method in which you can directly check the option chart and take the trades. So let's quickly get in and check this out. And before that, if you have not yet checked the previous video, please check that out, and after that you can continue with this video. Like our previous strategy, even in this strategy, we are using EMAs, 2 EMAs. So you need to go to indicators over here in whichever portal you are using, and you will have to select EMA 2 times. But here, since we are using the option chart, in the previous video, in that strategy, we were using the spot chart and we were taking the trades. You can either take in options or in futures, but I highly recommend taking trades in the option chart. Now here, this is another way of taking the trades directly by analyzing the option chart. So for that, again, we need EMAs, so 2 EMAs. And here in the settings, you need to change the input to 9, and in the another EMA, that is the second EMA, you need to go to the settings and change the length to 21. So here we are using 9 EMA and 21 EMA. The blue colored line is a 9 EMA and the white line is a 21 EMA. In the spot chart, we had used 20 EMA and 50 EMA. Here we are using 9 and 21 EMA. And for this, it is always advisable to take the trade in the ATM options. So select the ATM call and ATM put and take the trades. But all the conditions as I specified in the previous video for spot chart remains the same, except that here we are using 9 and 21 EMA and we are using the ATM call and put options. So according to our rule, first we need to wait and see when the price moves upwards like this. Then it has to come down, and when it again breaks, when the candle again breaks the EMA lines, you have to make sure that the shorter EMA, that is 9 EMA, is above 21 EMA. So here if you see, the price moved from above, came down, and this candle gave us the proper breakout from both 9 EMA as well as 21 EMA. And if you clearly observe here, 9 EMA is above 21 EMA. So this is a perfect setup for us to take the trade. So you can take the entry as soon as this candle opens. This will be our entry point. Your stop loss will be just below this EMA lines, and you can keep the RR ratio of around 1:1.5 or 2. Initially it is better to go with 1:1.5 RR. So you can see here easily you got a good trade. Next, if you go on, here again you can observe the price went up and came down, and here it gave a breakout. And when it gave a breakout, you can see here the 9 EMA has crossed the 21 EMA from below. Here you can see the cross under happened. So it is not at all advisable to take the trade here. And also you can see after this breakout, the next candle opened below this breakout candle. So we are not going to take the trade here. So similarly, you have to open the ATM chart, both call and put chart, and you have to monitor here by keeping the EMA at 9 and 21, and all the conditions as I specified in the previous video will apply. So you will have to exit either as soon as the target is achieved, or you can wait for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes is a ideal one, because here basically we are doing scalping. So in the next 10 minutes, if your target is not achieved, you can directly go about and exit. If you check another example over here, you can see the price came from above, then it came below, and here this candle gave a very good breakout. And you can see when this breakout happened, this 9 EMA is above 21 EMA. So this is a good time to take the entry. You can enter as soon as this candle closes, that is somewhere here. You can keep the stop loss just below the 21 EMA, and you can go with 1:1.5 RR. So you can see 1:2 is also achieved, but it is better to go with 1:1.5 here when you are using the option chart. But when you are using the spot chart, I had mentioned 1:2 is easily met there. So similarly here also you can see the price was up, then it came down, and here there was a breakout, and when the breakout happened you can see that the EMA line, that is the 9 EMA line, has crossed over the 21 EMA line. So you can take the entry here and you can easily go up to 1:1.5. So now this was about taking the trade in the call chart. You also need to keep the put chart ready so that you can monitor both the charts, and wherever you get the entry you can go about and take the trade. When you are analyzing using the spot chart, you could have directly analyzed whether it is a buy side or the sell side trade. Whenever you get a buy side trade, you can go about and take the call options, and whenever it is a sell side trade, you can go about and buy the put options. But here, since you will have to analyze the option chart itself, you will have to keep both your charts ready, that is a call chart as well as a put chart, both with ATM. But here, if you just keep two windows, it becomes difficult to analyze. So in most of the portals you have an option here where you can just use both the chart, or you can view both the chart in one single screen. So you just have to select like this, so that you will have the call option chart in one side and put option chart on the other side. That is, again you will have to go to this chart, select indicators, and you will have to load the EMA. Also, to select this put chart, you will just have to select here and you will have to load the put chart. So keep both of this side by side, so that whenever you get the entry in any of these charts, immediately you can go about and take the trade. All the other conditions remain the same both for call as well as for put chart. Only the difference is you will have to use 9 and 21 EMA for the option chart. So those who find it difficult to analyze the spot chart and immediately switch to the option chart can use this method, so that it becomes more simplified. Also, if you have premium versions in your TradingView portal or any other portals, you can also divide the page into 3 parts and also keep the spot chart side by side, so that whenever you get an entry in the spot chart, you can also check in the option chart and take the trades. But in the spot chart, use 20 and 50 EMAs, and for option charts you need to use 9 and 21 EMAs. So yeah, I hope this video simplified your previous scalping process. Here I have shown this with Nifty. You can also backtest this using Bank Nifty and other stocks as well, but make sure you backtest, trade with a very minimum quantity, and only if it works for you, you can try with the larger quantities. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you want me to do video on any particular content, then please drop it in the comment section so that I can do a video on the same. So yeah, I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.